The lady, she can call back in. We was talking to y'all. She can call back. I think her name was, I don't know what her name was. Whatever your name was, you can call back in. You're? Hey, y'all see what it is? They back. They right here. All smiling at each other. Fucking still in love and shit. Y'all can sit up there so I can put y'all on camera. You sent another request, Devon? Like so.
Alright, I'm back, Chief.
Okay, you back. Okay, here go Joy right here, real time.
Okay. So am I talking to Joy now?
Yeah, this is Joy right here.
Hi, Joy. How you feeling?
Everybody saying, hey, Joy.
Peace, peace.
So we just having a moment of clarity since there's so many rumors out there about why you left and all of this, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, and what y'all going through, and people think because y'all got into a fight, that's why you left.
No, not the reason why I left, because of the fight. You know, I feel like I had more working on myself to do. I feel like I didn't understand the knowledge as I would have liked to. So it was really, I felt really self-defeated. Like anytime I would think about the knowledge, or I feel like I didn't understand something completely, versus asking a question and getting clarity, I would, you know, my inner voice can be a little daunting. So it was more of a, I felt insecure. I started feeling like I didn't belong there because I wasn't fully understanding everything to the capacity that I felt I should. And then, yeah, had nothing to do with the fight.
Yeah. So I was trying to tell him, like, yo, y'all just young, man. Y'all in love. You feel me? Like, y'all got in an intense little argument. And, you know what I'm saying? And y'all still in love. Y'all on the phone every goddamn night.
Yeah.
Y'all just trying to get back to each other. You feel me? Y'all just went through some, and it's, you know, it's a whole bunch of shit you was going through emotionally. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, just to let the people know that it ain't no other shit. Oh, you know, y'all got into whatever y'all got into. That was that. You feel what I'm saying? But that wasn't the reason. Yeah.
Everybody get into some shit. Everybody has fights and arguments, and just the fact that ours was publicized without our consent. And y'all took it and y'all ran with it. Y'all did whatever y'all wanted to do with the story versus actually coming to
the source. Right. They just let. That's why I was trying to do a moment of clarity to get all of this stuff from the source rather than people. So people are asking, did he hit you? Like, and did you hit? You know, just tell a story. What happened, basically.
Tell the truth, Joy.
Tell a story.
So there was a meeting called, and you know, we got into an argument, and I walked away. I stormed off. I was, you know, doing my thing. Yeah, I stormed off. I had an attitude and all that, and Nubian came through. Well, everybody came, and they were trying to de-escalate the situation, but because I was so, because I was in that moment, like, because I had an attitude and I had walked away, like, it just made everything worse. I didn't, like, in that moment, I felt like when everybody was coming to me just to de-escalate the situation, I felt threatened in that moment. So, versus being that person that just, like, backs down and be like, okay, like, I flipped the fuck out and I started throwing hands, and then, of course, he threw hands back to constrain me because I was wild out. That's what happened.
Okay, Chief.
Yeah.
So a lot of people, and I'm sure she can answer this, a lot of people think that she went back just to try to get her military check or renew something about military so she can continue to get money for CarbonNation. That's one of the questions that a lot of people have.
But that's none of y'all business though. But that's getting too far into the business though. You see what I'm saying? That's the weird. That's where like, you know, we have to draw a line somewhere. You know, we can share some of our life. You know, we can let you know about people's safety. But to get into financial business, like that's drawing the line, right? We got to draw the line somewhere, right?
Right. Okay. So
That's not even. I mean, that's not nobody's business though. That's her personal business. Now she's safe. They in love.
right.
You see this, right? You can clearly see the fucking hearts flying off these niggas' heads.
Well, I mean, I seen him smiling, but a lot of what they were putting out, I mean, we thought Joy was, like, it was just bad blood. She wasn't coming back. And I mean, to see this, I mean, it's shocking,
I'm trying to tell you that it's allegations and propaganda. This stuff ain't true. Is what I'm saying to y'all. I'm trying to tell you that, like, please, don't be listening to these people because they just trying to make trouble for me. And if they get enough people, they can make trouble. You feel what I'm saying?
Right. Okay, so I mean, shit, it ain't nothing else to ask about that situation. So, Chief.
Yeah. What's going on?
The new girl, her name is just on the tip of my tongue. But,
Sunny is the newest girl here, right? Yeah.
What's her name?
Sunny and
No, you've been communicating with this one. It's a lot of issues where they saying, I guess, Nana feels some type of way, Nana feels some type of way or whatever because this new girl, you told her that she has your heart and, something like that. I can't think of her name. If you tell me, I don't know if she's white, but a really light complexion.
No.
Khadijah or something they saying. Khadijah.
None of that's true. None of that's true. Like, no. Like, if you haven't noticed, Nana has greatly improved. Like, yeah, like she.
Yeah, when y'all were getting the baby's ears pierced, a lot of people said that they see when you were talking about this girl, they could see like the kind of frustration on her face. So at this point, is she accepting? I mean, I know you.
I'm gonna let her talk for herself. Hold on.
Okay.
Peace reflection.
Peace.
I don't know. I honestly don't know what you're talking about. I don't even remember in that moment when we was getting her ears pierced that he was talking about. I don't remember that. But we in a polygamous relationship and we all agreed to, be in this relationship. So of course, if she was white, black, whatever she is, it doesn't matter. The fact is that we all agree to be in this relationship together. And whatever we have that goes on between us, then we communicate about it and we talk about it, not, do what I used to do and just lash out and stuff like that because that's not good. Obviously.
So you do feel like at this point you've grown and that's not going to be an issue if a new beautiful girl comes in and Chief shows her more attention?
Yeah, I put my family through a lot with my last episode that I had, and they continue to still be here for me. And I embarrassed myself and I made myself look fucking crazy to the world. But the fact is that I'm growing through that, and every day I'm working on myself to communicate. But y'all won't let me do it. It's like, everybody want me to be crazy. Everybody want me to leave. Right. Everybody want me to fail. And I think that that's fucked up because women are going to have to go through polygamy anyway. And if it's going to take me to be the first woman to put one foot in front of the other to start living the truth, then I'm doing it. And I'll do it to be the example for everybody out there. They don't have to go through what I'm going through to reach their best version of themselves.
Right, okay.
I'm literally doing it. It's just that people don't want to let me outlive that moment that I had being angry, being young, or not accepting polygamy in a certain way. People don't want to see that within themselves. Be like, I could understand what she's going through and not see the truth of the matter, like what's really at hand. And there's actually women who's going through this, literally, but they don't want to work through it themselves. But I am, and my sisters are completely 100% here for me. Even Khadijah, she's here for me. Either way, they're willing to help me. Whatever I do, however it comes out.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna it's a few more people in the chat section. It looks like that they want to ask some questions. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang up, Chief. I definitely appreciate you for clearing some of that up, because
yeah, like I say, that's what we're here for. We want everybody to know what's really going on. You dig?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, well, take care, Chief. It was good talking to you.
All right, that's what it is. I love myself.
All right, bye.
So you can see, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you can see, like, it is what it is. Like, people just reaching to try to destroy. It's an evil force. It's really an evil force in the hearts of man. But I'm going to let the next caller in. Y'all Y'all ask the questions, man. Y'all ask the questions. Of course, you can speak. Of course, you can come and ask me whatever. Like I told you, like I'm here. Like y'all ain't gotta get this from no third party. Oh, we got him. You don't got shit. You don't got nothing but harassment, nigga. You trying to make people believe something that is not true. So I'm just gonna put the truth out there and y'all do whatever y'all want with it. You feel what I'm saying? Like,
hi, Chief, how are you?
Peace, goddess. How you feeling?
I'm blessed, thank you.
Yeah.
I just would like to know, like, I know that you have a journey and that
Yep.
you are a man, as you stated today, that you are a man with a lot of needs. So that means that you want many women. And with that, do you feel that the way you come off and display your behavior, such as like the disagreements, the arguments, the insecurities, putting your hands on the women is okay? Like, and
no, I don't put my hands on the woman, man. Please stop saying that. Please stop saying I'm putting hands. When Nana, she pulled away and slapped my hand, and they said I slapped her. I don't put my hand on the woman. Like, I don't need to. I need to do that for. This woman lined up to be with me. Why do I need to do that? Literally. Like it's hella woman lined up to be with me. I don't need to hit no woman for what? Please stop saying that. But as far as what else? What else?
Also, do you honestly believe that if you say a woman, first you stated a woman is God, then you stated that man is God. Are you confused in your own head with maybe some type of mental illness?
All right.
With all due respect.
All right. No, with all due respect, I feel like I'm not gonna answer that question because I literally explain God to the T. Like, if you don't, you're not even paying attention to the videos. If you just don't want to know what I think about God because everybody knows what I think about God. Like, come on. Like, this is.
Are you running? Why are you running? Like, why are you running? And why do you make?
I'm not running. I'm being harassed. I have a daughter. I'm concerned about the safety of the people around me.
You have a daughter. Chief, you have a daughter. I said you have a daughter, and you have 3 other children as well, correct?
Exactly. And what I'm saying is I can't protect them because at the end of the day, their mother took them away. So at the end of the day, I can't be held accountable for that because their mother have those rights in the country to take the child. Like if Nana was to leave and take my daughter, I can't protect my daughter. You feel what I'm saying? So that's just that. My daughter that's with me, the children and the women that here that are with me, I have the right to protect them at all times. So if somebody's harassing me and sending police and just fucking with me, just fucking with my life all the time, I'm going to flee. I'm going to go to the next place. You feel what I'm saying?
But
so
Chief, you have also admitted to hitting Nana. And also with the beautiful one, Aya, supposed to been pregnant, that you beat the hell out of her and she had a miscarriage.
Okay, so see, that's what I'm saying to you. We just addressed this. Did you just log in? Did you just?
Absolutely.
Okay, well, please go back and watch and rewind. Because I don't want to repeat the same thing.
You get so upset.
No, I'm not getting upset. I'm not getting upset. Please, ma'am, go watch the video over. Aya already came here twice and said that wasn't true. Please go watch the video, please. I'm not getting upset.
And do you feed the ones today?
I'm gonna let it go. Because I see that you watch the negative videos and you don't even watch every. Please, I'm just gonna let that go. I'm gonna let that go. Come on, let's be intelligent with the questions here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wanna give y'all a chance to really, question and any allegations, let me clear them up. I already talked about that. Everybody was cleared up. Like, come on.
Peace. Got a question for you.
Yes.
All right, so the black man is God, right?
Oh my God.
No, listen to this. If the black man is God, right? All
to talk about the allegations. But
Okay, I got a question for that too. Let me ask you about that.
Wait. Hold on. Slow down. Number one, God is all things. It is the all. The all are. I just said it in my last download. Like, God is all things. There's nothing separate. Yeah. Just that simple.
Yeah, that's it, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
But you know you mix and dilute and tamper with the 5% Nation and Islam. You kind of mix them both. What do you think is the difference?
I don't even study under them. I don't study under none of those. My knowledge came from me being in nature and me being inspired in life, and then researching knowledge here and there, and then coming up to my own information. I went out into nature, literally, and activated my own genes. I fast. I went into the jungle to get my knowledge within me. So that came out of me, and I'm self-proclaimed. So I don't. When you say now, some of the knowledge that has been stated by the 5%ers, I found to be congruent with the things that I found that came through me. And so, therefore, there had to be another man that tapped into something in him and in himself that I tapped into. And we tapped into the same frequency of thoughts. And we got the same knowledge, as I said another way, just like the Rastafarians. There's truth in all of it, in Islam, in all of it, you know. And so once you find the truth in you, you find that original truth. You're going to see that original truth is in all text. It's just that the text has been tampered with.
Okay, I don't agree with that, but I got a question about your allegations that you want to know. If you did not get arrested, as they say, can you show and prove that? Because they showing and proving things that look like you may have not been arrested.
No, they got to show and prove that I got arrested. I want to see it. I want to see the.
No, listen. You said that you haven't been arrested, right? But that doesn't mean because you went to the station that they have arrested you. You was down there for a few hours. Am I correct?
But here's what I'm saying to you, right? That right there is none of your business.
It's none of my business, but you put everything on display, though.
I really don't. The things that you're hearing are allegations that were not on display. You did not.
So it's either you hide shit or you don't. You say you don't hide it.
Like I said, what they're saying are things that either somebody here snitched or just like, half truths. They're not full truths, is what I'm saying to you. They're not full. I'm giving you the full truth. I wasn't arrested.
Okay. If one of your wives, like Nana, decided that she wanted to see another brother in there, is that okay with you?
Absolutely. If Nana wants to be with somebody else, but then again, I gotta tell you this. No. I gotta be over. A prophet can't lie. Nah. We got a baby together. I'm not about to have her here with my child with another nigga. That's different. If you don't have a child, that's different. But if you got my baby, it's a wrap. That's it.
Okay, brother, for real though. The things that you teaching, right? Why do you have to go away from Babylon to do what you're doing? Why you couldn't do it right there?
All right, so listen, right? Where you're at right now, right? And
I'm in Hawaii.
I break this stuff down in my downloads. I really wish you would listen to it. But where you're at right now, right?
I'm in Hawaii.
Okay, you in Hawaii, so that's different. You're in the tropics. You feel what I'm saying? You're within the tropic lines. You're good. But in the States, just to get fresh food, you know how much it costs. You know how much it costs to get fresh food, and just to go to Whole Foods and fill the cart up just a little bit. It's going to be $100. Like, literally, we are in starvation. Real food, you're in starvation. All of the food, right, comes from where? Central America. If you let a gorilla out the zoo, where's the gorilla gonna stay? It's gonna stay in New York. If the gorilla was in New York, the gorilla is not gonna stay in New York. It's going to migrate to its natural environment, and its natural environment is what? Where its food is grown.
Right.
So if you go into your supermarkets and look on these stickers to see where all your produce comes from, you're gonna see it comes from Central America. Not only is the sun more potent between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, where the equinox is at, you have melanin. You have your melanin blocks out the sun. So you're required more sun. So you need more sun for your mind and your DNA to activate. So you have to go closer to the equator. And what I'm telling you is that as your body's like a cell phone and the sun is like a tower. You got these people in the United States that are African American people cannot even tap into their higher self or spiritual consciousness unless they get into the sun and connect to the earth and eat from the earth organically. But Monsanto is trying to stop that.
Do you know how many miles we are away?
Here's the thing. Donald Trump is building a wall to trap you in so that you can't travel through and migrate through Mexico. See, this whole thing is all about keeping you in because they know that you need codes from the sun that you can't get from the northern hemisphere. And that's why they're spraying you with chemtrails. They're putting stuff in your water to block out these light codes so you can't activate something in you that makes you awaken until understanding gamma ray thoughts. Your brain is never going to be able to pick up the rays. You feel what I'm saying? So they know that, so they're dumbing you down. So you have to get closer to the equator so that you can receive cosmic codes for your DNA to activate. So
do you know how far away?
Why I left, I'm telling you that I went to where my food is grown naturally.
So do you know how far away you are from the sun? Do you know how far away the earth is away from the sun? No matter what part of the planet you go to, do you know how far you are away from the sun?
Okay.
That's the question.
Okay, the sun is not that far away, but
how far? How far though?
I'm not going to get into debate with that.
It's 93 million miles away. It's 93 million. Let me educate you. It's 93 million miles away from the sun. So no matter where you go, you're not going to be that close to the damn sun. And the only reason why you left is because of food? Is that the only reason why?
Food. Okay. All right. Maybe you're not picking up what I'm saying. Look, I'm not here.
I'm listening to you, but you're not really. You just like kind of going around. Like you said, the reason why you left is because of the price of the food and because of a wall that's not even built yet.
Food is not important. Food is not that important. Don't worry about it. Is there anything else you want to ask me?
Man, boy, bye. You is a fucking nut, dude. You a nut.
Have a beautiful night. Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, she is like, okay. You don't need to block her. She just like, that was crazy. She said food is not that important. That was crazy. She said, go ahead and eat your chicken McNuggets then. What's going on?
Hey, Chief. What's up?
Peace, God. How you feeling?
I'm okay. I got 7 questions for you. I'm gonna let you go.
Okay.
All right. You tell us that we got to do the isolation if we follow your teachings. Is it still the 30 to 90 days, or has that changed if we go into isolation and go to CarbonNation?
Yes. Yes.
Then you got I was wondering who all is a couple now.
What you say?
Who is a couple in the family right now? Because I missed a few days.
That is unimportant.
Okay, well never mind. I understand.
Yes.
Okay, my next question is why was Mama Dia allowed to come? Because I heard you say that, the women that come there have to be of an age where they can reproduce. And I think from what I saw of Mama Dia, she wasn't a beautiful woman or nothing, but she was just a little older than most of the females. So why was Mama Dia an exception?
Right. That's not the only way women could come here. We do accept all ages of women. If you heard me before, I've told older women to come here for the younger women in my lives. I never said that I don't want no older woman here. I never said that, and that's the thing about it. I didn't say that. Mama Dia was allowed to come here because she was in tune with the knowledge. She was preaching the knowledge and teaching the knowledge.
Okay. I feel you, Chief. I'm just, I've been trying to stay in tune with the knowledge, and I'm not coming up at no hate nothing. I'm just coming because I'm
here to clear that up. I
want to understand for my personal, because I'm on my journey.
No, all ages are allowed in the kingdom of God. Once you become God in your mind, you're gonna match the frequency. Mama Dia, she was on. She was making poetry. She was on. I thought
she was great.
She was really great.
Rest in peace. Then I got my question, more concerning myself and my journey, is I saw that chick that was hard of seeing, and she was on her way to coming over there or something. I know she had like some kind of vision problem, but like myself, I have to take a certain medication or something. But I'm hoping that nature's gonna cure me of the issues I have. So is that still a problem for people coming to CarbonNation?
Now I tell people all the time, and people try to say I told Mama Dia that. Listen, nature is not gonna heal nothing. Nature aids in the healing. The mind heals the body. The mind and your will. That's the only thing. What heals any disease is rest. Rest. The body and the mind at rest. The body. So the mind, all is mental. See, herbs, all medications are just aids. Aids. They're aids. They're aids to, benefit, and they help. They help. You know what I'm saying? No herb can heal you.
Right.
It can only aid the symptoms. The mind heals the body. You see, if somebody has strong will and a positive mind, it's hard for them to get sick. If somebody has a negative mind, negative outlook, they will always hold the frequency of sickness. So it has to do with your astrological energy.
Right.
See what I'm saying? This is what we teach. You understand what I'm saying? And when a person is possessed, a demon is a negative thought form, right? Anytime you're looking at something from a negative perspective, the glass half empty, it's a demon that's possessing you, right? And so these demons, these thoughts, these negative frequencies of thoughts, they give you low vibrations. So therefore, when you take on these frequencies of thoughts that are low vibrational and these perspectives, you look at things the wrong way, the way you're looking at it will affect your biology. So your perception controls your biology. So it's mind over everything. It's mind over everything. Over food, over everything. Your mind, how you think, your outlook on life. Are you a worry ward? A lot of people worried about the wrong shit. So they mind be in a place where, and worrying is like praying for some shit that you don't want.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's what worrying is. Worrying is praying for shit you don't want. So, and so many people subconsciously are worried about shit that they don't want, manifesting their worries. And they're manifesting these things without knowing it. And so, these play out diseases in the body. So like I said, I don't heal nobody. I don't know how to heal shit.
Right.
You gonna heal your own self through your mind. You understand? Right. I never said I heal nobody. Don't ever let nobody tell you I said I heal nobody. I ain't no goddamn doctor. I tell you the truth. You use it or you don't. That's all. I'm a messenger. Here's the shit. You can use it or you don't. I use it for me.
I feel you, Chief.
People say an alkaline body, but an alkaline mind. Because the mind rules how much even your body takes in as oxygen. Your mind rules your biology. You understand what I'm saying? So you can eat all the iron you want. You can eat all the iron you want to get the oxygen carried to your... But if you're a negative person, it don't matter how much iron you eat. Nigga, you's a negative ass thinking person. So of course...
I eat mangoes.
No, mangoes are good. But you can eat all the fruit in the world and be in a negative ass relationship with somebody and it means nothing. And still die of a heart attack. Why? Because people are our number one source of energy. People in our lives. In the environment. The environment you're in and the people in your life, and then food. The people in your life make up the environment. You know
I got you, Chief. I just got 2 more questions and I'm out, but I appreciate it. You've been talking about the hair, because when I started watching you, you were saying the hair is our antennas, and I've been growing out my, trying to get them to lock up and stuff. I got twists, but, I'm working on getting them locked and stuff. But, I know you say now with the new family coming in, we all got to cut our hair. my only question is, we all different. We all different kinds of black and whatever we are. So our hair gonna grow at different lengths and ways no matter what we do. So I guess I'm having a hard time understanding if we all cutting our hair short. Some of our hair gonna grow faster or shorter than others, and it's not gonna all be the same stage at different times in the year and stuff. So is that our antenna, or is that where we?
Well, all of CarbonNation are. You ever see the way people in Florida grow their locks, the sticks?
I'm in Miami.
All right, so you know how the guys grow they lock. CarbonNation gonna be growing their locks like that. We gonna grow 9 of them each. Each person here gonna have 9 locks.
I got that you said we gonna grow 9 locks, but I wasn't understanding how they gonna grow at the same time.
Easy. We all grow our hair growing about the same time. We got the same length of hair. It's gonna grow at the same time, and we all gonna have the same length of locks. Pretty much.
Now, what if Nana hair start getting to her shoulders before somebody else's hair, something like that? We're gonna cut.
It's gonna be around. It's gonna be approximated around the same length. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? And she's still gonna have 9 locks. All of our hair is gonna grow simultaneously, like, you know what I mean?
Okay.
And it's around about the same time, type thing. So when you see us, you're gonna know our vibration. You're gonna be like, oh shit, y'all all got the same hair. Like, oh, that shit crazy. Y'all all must be on one frequency. Yeah, we all got the same hair.
Hey, yo, Chief, I grew this mango myself in my garden.
Hey, I'm proud of you.
I eat my fruits and stuff.
Now you gotta eat that.
My last question for you is, I keep track of my other reflection because I'm on my journey. I'm trying to get where y'all at. I'm just working on my cosmic currencies and stuff and get myself grounded and stuff. But I knew there was a sister that I was keeping track of. I think her name was Slim, but she was in Mexico, and I ain't heard from her. I used to hit her up on the messenger and stuff. Have you heard from her? I know she was camped out in Mexico a few weeks back, maybe a month ago. Has she reached out to you?
Yeah, I heard from her, I think, yesterday. She hit me up, so.
Is she doing all right?
Yeah, she doing good.
All right,
I guess she's okay because she hit me up.
All right, Chief. Well, maybe she just doing her isolation hard. I understand. I ain't trying to hate on y'all. Y'all my family. You my reflection. I just wanted to get my questions answered. I appreciate the time, Chief.
Hey, I love myself. Thanks for calling in.
Love myself.
All right. Anybody got any more questions about any allegories or anything? I hope y'all called in. I'm going to go to the next caller. Please ask me any questions that you heard, world news, or anybody had any kind of allegations. We're going to clear them up tonight so that you can see we're being harassed. And that's the truth about the matter. You harassing these folks.
Hello, Reflect. Y'all, what's up? What's up, Reflection? What's good?
Peace, God. How you feeling?
Long time. I'm feeling good. I moved from up top. I'm not in New York no more. I'm getting closer and closer to my roots here. Yes, I am.
Congratulations. How you feel?
I feel amazing. Like, my energy levels, it has exceeded to a level that I never felt before.
Wow, okay, good. I hope you have a testimony. Let the people know you left from the Northern Hemisphere.
Yo,
Where
do
you
I have a
now?
testimony? Nah, I'm in Texas.
Oh, even better. Yo, Texas got cold when I was there a year and a half ago. I was there, man, Texas was cold. Man, damn, okay. All right, hey, y'all just got one device on the internet, right?